Can the most expensive $50 handheld duster on Amazon compete with an air compressor? Or maybe even a shop vac? Let's go check it out. Alright, today we're here in my garage on this beautiful rainy spring day. We're going to be checking out the Leapwell electronic air duster. Let's see the contents here. Comes with a flat nozzle, a short nozzle, charging cord, bag with brush and long extension. The extension is made out of metal. The short nozzle also made out of metal with a twist off attachment tip. The plastic nozzle, unfortunately, made out of plastic. The body of the blower is made out of all metal. As you can see here, minus the button. The button itself is plastic. So we're gonna be testing this thing out. First, we'll attach this nozzle. Alright, as you can hear on the metal to metal contact that it is all metal. I have to take off this tip first in order to get the long attachment in. Let's see here. Sorry for the squeaks. And also I just had this thing fully charged, so start off by pushing the button here. You see the light go on. One light being the lowest power setting, second medium, third the highest. So we're gonna be going to my Scion XB, which is kind of dirty, and see if this thing can clean it out. Let's go check it out. All right, we're here at the Scion XB. This car is dusty. I haven't driven this car in a few months, and still have leaves left over from last spring, so definitely need to clean that out. Let's see if this thing will do the job. Got the highest setting on. So one cool feature is if you press and hold this button down, it'll lock the on position and will continue blowing. So let's see if this thing can clear out some dirty carpets. Alright, seems like a lot of the dust got stuck to the dashboard. It's kind of sticky. Yeah, and some of this, even wiping with my finger won't come off. So I might need to wipe that off with a wet towel. So as you can see, it doesn't really get much of it out. I mean, it claims to have 150,000 RPMs, which is about 40 CFM, which is not really that impressive considering the price you pay for it. But I do have an alternative if you are looking for a handheld powerful blower. Unfortunately, it's not battery powered. You'll have to plug it in. It's this thing here, my X Power. Pardon the dust, I was just dusting my whole house earlier. This thing has 90 CFM and this thing is powerful. So I'll show you a trick in order to use this wherever you go. So let's go check it out. All right, this is my Bluetti EB3A, also for sale on Amazon. Has 120 volt output, USB-C, USB-A, but we're gonna be plugging this X Power in here to see if this thing can clear out my dirty carpets. So let's get this set up. Alright, as you can see, my Tacoma is pretty dusty. Let's test this out on the lowest setting first, and then work our way up to the higher setting. All right, so after a few minutes of dusting off, sorry for the noise, it seems like most of the dust, the light dust and debris got blown away. The only thing left over is that wet mud and dirt, so that will probably need to be scrubbed. But for the most part, I'm not sure. As you can see, a lot of the dust got blown off. It was caked in dust before. So this thing is more powerful, 90 CFM with the highest setting. So this thing is cheaper than the portable battery powered air duster. But you know, the only thing is it's not battery powered and you have to plug it in somewhere. But for the price you pay, this thing is cheaper than that, more powerful. Having a battery bank definitely helps with mobility, and you won't be having to carry on an air compressor or a shop vac if you're looking for light work. So if you want to check this out, and the battery bank and even the handheld one, I mean, for light uses around the house, it's still pretty good, but I still like my X Power because it packs a punch. So yeah, check out the links in my description below. Thank you guys for watching.